kufanya kufanikisha sherehe hii.
Mathiko-inĩ ma andũ 12 arĩa makuire kiumia kĩhĩtũku thutha wa kunyua njohi ithondeketwo na thumu itũra rĩa Kubwenye Kuria ya irathĩro kaunti ya Migori.
Analeta faraja ya ukweli.
Nĩ kuo njatũkano ya mendekithia ma gwetha kĩhonia kĩa ũnyui wa njohi itũra-inĩ rĩrĩ ĩyumĩrĩtie gatagatĩ ka gavana wa kaunti ĩno na mũmbunge wa Kuria ya irathĩro. Gavana Ochilo Ayako akĩenda arĩa me mũtego-inĩ ũyũ matarwo na monio wĩra ũngĩ, nake mũmbunge Mathias Robi akĩenda manyitwo na mohwo.
We may propose that these people are jailed. When they are jailed and they have no access to their families, we will still have the same orphans that were being here.
Hatutaki kupembeleza hao watu, atunapembeleza. Hapana. Hao watu waenda kamata, wale wanapika na wale wanakunywa, weka ndani. Na mimi nilisema tayari nimeongea na magistrate kule Keancha na Migori. Hao watu wakipelekwa kwa OCS, mimi nipigiwe simu. Hao watu tutapanga wafungwe hata kama ni miaka 2 wapoe huko kabisa. Sindio?
Gavana Ayako akiuga thirikari ya kaunti nĩ gũthondeka kamĩtĩ ya mwanya ya kwambĩka mĩtaratara ya kwenjera kĩhonia gĩgũtũra.
So I want to propose that my county government will form a small team and work with the county commissioner's office to find a solution ile itasaidia watu wetu. You may arrest a lady, have her jailed because she is brewing chang'aa. You do not know why she is doing it. You have never asked her. When you arrest and jail her, I want to assure you that the problems will be multiple.
So tawasihi county mwenye DCC sehemu hii na pia ni OSPD of this place. Security team nzima, let us make sure kwamba tumeangamiza mambo ya chang'aa katika sehemu hii ya Kuria.
Mũndũ ũmwe ũrĩa wahonokire gĩkuũ thutha wa kũnyua njohi ĩyo nĩ arĩkĩtie kũra maitho, na angĩ makoretwo thibitarĩ magĩkaya kũrĩo nĩ mũtwe ũtegũtigithũkia. Ribotera Inooro TV njĩtagwo Chang'aa wa Mbui.